I have been trading for years, calculating rates and analyzing the shifts in markets. But from time to time, I was beginning to think I was lacking something in my life. It is not just analysis, I said to myself. The stock market was not just figures and statistics, but something pulsating and alive. I used to invest on research, corporate governance and numbers, ratios and trends, but something didn't click. Is this why I am so stuck into this pattern? I asked myself. I required a fresh pair of eyes to look at the market. I felt that I was lacking something that only experience could give. The next night, I decided to do some research on my own. Contemplating the headlines, I came across one that read, "The emotional side of trading, how to exploit instincts." I scoffed. Intuition? Was not that a weakness in the markets? Still, there was a voice inside me that told me to click.
It was late when I had a feeling that something was wrong. My body felt different. My fingers tingled. It slowly eased like a pressure had lifted, and my chest seemed to expand. Staring at my reflection on the screen of my laptop, my face had become less stern. My hair grew longer. I shouted, "What just occurred right now?" My reflection was undeniably feminine. I was shocked when I got to the bathroom. I could hardly believe what I was seeing. "I can't believe this is real," I said quietly. I touched my face. Specifically, my eyes were widened and my jawline was thinner and narrower. But what made me stunned the most? I felt right, as if I had always been this way. I sat down, heart racing. Was all this just a dream? But the numbers on my screen did not deceive me. My brokerage account? Still the same. I signed in. Still me on the inside. But outside, everything was different. Therefore, okay, let the beginning be today. The most peculiar sensation that I experienced was when I was able to sense the market before it shifted, as if I had a sixth sense of it, or something of the sort. It was sharp, accurate. This is crazy, I said to myself as I was making a trade based on my emotions and not my rationality. In a few hours, the trade was already up by 15%. I couldn't believe it. "This is crazy," I laughed, staring at the gains. It was not based on any technical factors or on the news. It was just an instinct. My body's new perception of the market was accurate to the letter. Days passed. I then begun to trade based on feelings of the market and the overall feel of it. It's a good thing. I told this to a friend through the phone. It's like I can hear the market's mood. It is not a case of being the biggest, smartest person in the room. It's about an ability to not only hear, but to listen to the rhythm. The more I accepted the new me, the better I felt. I was no longer trading based on charts, but I was feeling the market, and my success skyrocketed. I was able to make my first million in 6 months. Is this what it means for the company to fully capture the market? I wondered aloud. At some point, the transformation stopped being just about the trading. It was about my new identity. I am not longer trying to be something I am not. I told myself one night, I have accepted this change, this new me, and it is making me more successful than ever. Trading has become more of art nowadays. I do not feel constrained anymore by the formulas and rules. I have the ability to adjust, to sense what the market requires. When I closed another profitable position, I could not help but smile. It wasn't just the trade, I said, as low as I could make my voice. It was me, at last, the person I was destined to be.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.